Listen to the greatness. Listen. You hear that? You hear that greatness? That sounds just like music to your ears, doing it. Listen. Ooh, he killed himself, mama. We don't deal. We don't deal. Check this out. Ooh, he killed himself, mama. We don't deal. We don't deal. I'm finna eat. We finna eat good like some kings and queens. Yes, sir. We finna eat good out here like some kings and queens. Yes. This is what I call campfire royalty right here. Being like a king out here. Look at her. Yes. Sit out here, enjoy some nature. Enjoy nature. And eat chicken and some potatoes, carrots, zucchini, peppers, onions. Every vegetable under the sun in this mode. Boy, green beans. Yes. Look at that. On point. Potato. Oh man, on point. Mushrooms, onions, green beans, carrots. Mushrooms, peppers. I'll probably eat all the vegetables out of this first. The vegetables are just, oh man, so good. Try it, man. You never had your food like this? Boy, you will not be sorry, man. You don't know what you're missing. You do not know what you're missing, man. Look at the juice at the bottom. Look at the juice. High aluminum foil. Trap the juice.